Today's shirt is a clue for today's vlog. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Newport on the Levee in Newport, Kentucky, and we are going to go to Goettafest 2022. I've never been, and I'm excited to take you along, so let's get started. Our adventure starts here. I'm going to have to enter, and maybe I will win a Yeti full of Goetta. Gotta get us some Jenga. And if you want to embarrass yourself in public, you could ride a mechanical bull. And this is Glier's Goetta truck. And they not only tell you what Goetta is, but how to pronounce it. They don't just have food, they also have activities like cornhole and rides for the kids. This is my favorite game here, Goetta Operation. There was a time when Goetta was considered a poverty food, and in Germany, for example, beef and pork was mixed in with spices and steel-cut oats, so it would extend meals. And then they would bring that tradition here to Cincinnati because, in case you don't know it, Cincinnati has strong German roots. And now it's considered a delicacy, and we even celebrate it with a festival. I thought I would try the spicy Goetta with mac and cheese. Give me a minute and I'll give you my review. The Goetta with mac and cheese was very good, but it wasn't very spicy. It had a peppery finish, but it wasn't as spicy as I'm used to. Fail. I think I just found my favorite vendor. thought I'd also try the Goetta cheese pizza. And over there across the river is Mount Adams. Before I leave, I thought I would show you some of the swag I bought. From Cincy Shirts, I bought this Goetta t-shirt that looks like the Ramones insignia. And you see onions, spices, pork, beef, and oats. And from Chili Rock's Chili and Sauces, I bought this tie-dye t-shirt. And if you look closely, up at the top, there's a yellow pepper, and at the bottom, a red. I also bought from Chili Rocks a bottle of hot sauce. This is Blazing Lager Sriracha Asian style hot sauce, and this is a 4 out of 10 on the heat scale. I wanted a 10 out of 10, but they were out of stock. And stay tuned for a Fiery Friday hot sauce review of this sauce. And talk about an impulse buy, I bought this Glier's Goetta plush. This was my first Goettafest, and I had an excellent time. The food was really good. I found a couple of cool t-shirts, and I bought a bottle of locally made hot sauce, so I had a wonderful time. And if you ever plan on going to Goettafest, it's usually held the last weekend of July and the first weekend of August, so mark your calendars. I think you would enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.